today's video, I'm going to answer one of the most common questions I get, and that is, how am I able to afford this Subaru Sti? Believe it or not, I actually paid this car off using 3 minimum wage jobs. First job was at Target. I was a seasonal cashier. That was my first job straight out of high school. I think I saved about $2,000. That was the first $2,000. I was super happy. First paycheck I got, I remember feeling like I was the most ballers dude on the planet. And the second job that I ever had, and that was being a dishwasher at an Italian restaurant. Dude, this freaking job was absolutely crazy. I remember going home after work. I would hear the plate smash. I swear to God, I would hear the plate smash as I was falling asleep. I ended up quitting this job. My excuse was that I was going back to school, which I really was. Third job I got was as a detailer porter at a dealership. This is where I saved up the majority of the money. I got the car for $18,000, and after the fees with taxes, I think it was around 21 or 22, which was a lot of money for this car. I actually think I overpaid for it, but not a problem, because this is the car that I initially wanted. And the great thing about this car, and also a few other JDM cars around this price tag, is that they're all very attainable, affordable. All you have to do is just really budget yourself to, you know, avoid bad spending habits such as going out every weekend, buying food to go, buying clothes, shoes, or whatever. All you have to do is really save up your money, be very disciplined. But let me pop open the hood. Let me show you guys around the car. I always like doing this. I don't know why. Just admiring the Japanese parts that I've collected over the years. Money pit, but again, I do not regret buying all these parts. I just wish I would have taken my time. Again, this is within a 5-year period. I wish I would have paid off the car first before modifying it, though. That's one regret I do have. Make sure you pay it off before you start modding into it. It doesn't make sense modifying a car that you're still paying off. First, I would focus on paying off the car, then modifying it after. I mean, you can have an exhaust, intake, keep it very simple, but primary focus should be paying off the car. Once the car is fully paid, you can do whatever you want, and it's under your name. So I got this car back when I was 19 years old. I'm now 25. Paid off the car when I was 23 years old. Once you pay it off, guys, no more monthly payments. All you have to do is just pay the insurance, and that's it. And then you can save up for the wheels. You know, you can buy performance mods. You can start modifying whichever way you'd like. I've been starting to save up a whole lot more now that the car has been paid off. So that's how I did it, guys. I got the car for $18,000, and with state fees and taxes, it was about $21,000 or $22,000. Put down $10,000 as a down payment, and then I paid off the rest in monthly payments in the low 300s. But as I slowly started paying more and more, the payments were less and less. So that's how I did it, guys. First job at Target as a seasonal cashier. Second job as a dishwasher. Third and fourth job as a detailer / porter at a dealership. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think, and also tell me how you were able to afford your car and what you do for work. I think it's really interesting how everyone has their own little story on what they do and how they're able to afford their car. Show you guys the callback support reading. So here's what I'm monitoring. Let me show you guys once it loads up there. So here's what I monitor on my access port. I have my boost, ethanol final, dam, the air fuel ratio, the intake temperature, and the feedback knock. Intake temperature, I know it's a little hot. I'm still working on getting a box, but it's actually not that bad considering how hot it is today. We're on our way to the car wash. there's already a spot. I gotta cut sharp because this thing is low. Made it. Let's do a little walk around. Get some change. All right. Ooh, look at that squat though. All right, have my camera set up right there. Oh God, looks like the boys got somebody. I wonder what happened. So just finished washing the car. Let me show you guys how the paint looks like. So this Java Black Pearl was only offered in the 2004 STI models. See the sparkles on there. So it looks like from a distance. So I'm gonna try to fix the ND filter. You can definitely see it in this angle right there. Check that out, guys. Not bad. Again, I'm not a professional detailer or car washer. Just doing this just because the car was very dusty and I wanted to mount some GoPros on the body of the car without scratching the paint. Now just wiping off the excess water. God, I love these ARC parts. Every time I pop open the engine bay, I'm always in awe. Probably one of my favorite pieces, the Ganado strobe bar. Also, if you guys know anyone that's selling an ARC radiator cover, let me know. I'm willing to buy one as long as the price is right. Let's race the train. Brake boost. I'm gonna go home. I gotta edit this video. Catch you guys till next time, guys. Peace out.
Thank you.